This is an intense moment as a jaguar goes after a capybara by the riverbank. Suddenly, the jaguar lunges at a capybara grazing near the water. The capybara instinctively jumps into the river to escape, but the jaguar is quick and locks onto the capybara's throat. The capybara has no chance to fight back. Nearby, a baby capybara is caught and held firmly by the jaguar. The jaguar's plan is to use the baby as bait to lure the adults. It waits patiently, hoping the adult capybaras will come to protect their young. After a long wait, no adults appear. The baby capybara is scared and helpless in the jaguar's grip. Growing impatient, the jaguar decides it's time to end the wait. The baby becomes the jaguar's meal. This scene shows the harsh realities of survival and the clever strategies predators use.